Hello and welcome back to Wrongmar. In today's maths lesson we're taking a look at positive and negative numbers. Our WOLT for today is to order positive and negative numbers. Let's start with a warm-up. I'm going to give you a number and I want you to start counting backwards in tens. When I say change, you change direction and start counting up in tens. Every time I say change, you change direction of counting. See if you can get down to 0. So your number is 150. So on my count, you're going to start counting downwards in tens from 150. Ready? Set. Go. Change. Change. Stop. Okay, new number. Let's start with 30, counting down in tens. Ready? Go. Stop. Okay, what did you do when you got to 0? Did you keep counting? Or did you say, well, that's it, I've run out of numbers? If you stopped at 0, your mind is about to be blown. This is the real number line. Forget about the number line you've seen up to now that starts at 0. There's actually an infinite amount of numbers before 0 as well. We call the numbers before 0 negative numbers and the numbers after 0 positive numbers. Have you ever come across negative numbers before? Can you think of somewhere where we might use them? Pause the video and write down an answer. Take a look at this number sentence. Using the number line to help you, can you solve the sum? Pause the video and give it a try. Well, when you take away a number that's larger than the number you're taking away from, you end up with a negative number. You count backwards on the number line just like you would for a normal subtraction sum, but when you hit 0, you keep going into the negative numbers. So for our sum, we started on 3, we counted back 5 places, and when we hit 0, we keep on going 2 more times. We get minus 2. Okay, now that you know that, try this subtraction problem. Feel free to use the number line if you have to. Pause the video, give it a try. So our answer should be minus 3, or negative 3. Great, let's try another one. Pause the video and give this one a try. So the answer we should have got was minus 4, or negative 4. Okay, now that you've got the hang of them, can you place these numbers on the number line? Remember that negative numbers are going to come before 0, and positive numbers will come after 0. Pause the video and give it a try. Did you get those numbers in the right places? Did you notice that your smallest number is minus 4 and your biggest number is 7? How about these ones? Can you place these on the number line and circle the number that's the highest value and the number that has the smallest value? Pause the video and give it a try. Well, did you get them all right? So you should have them in this order. And did you notice that minus 8 is your smallest number and plus 8 is the largest? Okay, let's get rid of the number line. This time I just want you to place these numbers in order from smallest to largest. Pause the video and give it a try. Well, did you get this order? Minus 6, minus 5, 1, 4. Minus 6 is the smallest, and plus 4 is the largest. Let's try another one of those. Put these numbers in order from smallest to largest. Pause the video and give it a try. Well, how'd you get on? The smallest number is minus 13, then we have minus 11, then we have 2, and our largest number is 7. Let's go for one more of these. Place these ones in order from smallest to largest. Well, How'd you get on? Minus 30, minus 22, minus 16, and our largest number is 1. So there we have it. Today our Walt was to order positive and negative numbers. Can you do that now? If you can, great, you're ready to move on to some practice activities. If the answer is no, take a look at the video again and pause it at the parts where you got a bit confused. That's all we have time for this week. Until next time, take care.